It's important to emphasize that being lazy is not a productive or responsible approach to making money online or in any other endeavor. Sustainable income and success require effort, dedication, and hard work. However, there are ways to optimize your workflow, streamline processes, and work efficiently to achieve your goals. Here are some tips for maximizing productivity while working online. Passive income streams. Create passive income streams that require initial effort but can generate income over time with minimal ongoing work. Examples include creating and selling digital products, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or building a website with affiliate links. Automation. Use tools and software to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. For example, you can schedule social media posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Outsource tasks. Delegate tasks that you find tedious or time-consuming to freelancers or virtual assistants. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you find affordable assistance for various tasks. Focus on high-impact activities. Identify the most critical tasks that directly contribute to your income and prioritize them. Concentrate your efforts on activities that yield the most significant results. Optimize niche selection. If you're starting a blog, YouTube channel, or online business, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has potential for profitability. Repurpose content. Find ways to repurpose your content across different platforms to reach a broader audience without creating entirely new material from scratch. Affiliate marketing. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities where you promote products or services and earn a commission on each sale without handling customer support or logistics. Dropshipping. Start a dropshipping business where you sell products online without holding inventory. Invest in education. Invest time in learning about online marketing, SEO, or other relevant skills that can help you optimize your online ventures and make informed decisions. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable and measurable goals for your online ventures. Having clear objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. While these strategies can help you work more efficiently and potentially reduce the amount of active effort needed over time, there is no shortcut to success. Making money online still requires dedication, consistency,